Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today I'm excited for this shoe because I've been waiting on this shoe for a good minute. This is one of the few episodes I have where this drop is very, very recent. So as of today, today is the 16th of April. These came out yesterday, the April 15th, 2023. So it's only been a day. I'm gonna have a pretty recent new drop because if you notice, most of them they're like a little delayed in me getting them. But anyway, it's very new. So today we have another retro. I know I've been going on a big mid-wave, but today we got a retro. So you check out the box, a nice black box, matte black with the green accent. We also picked up a suede new butt cleaner because we got to keep the shoes clean. Definitely take care of them. I clean my shoes at every use, so I wear my shoes before I put them back in their containers or the box. I clean them. That's how I'm able to keep my shoes clean for so long. So they retail is obviously $180, your standard retro one. Resell a size 12 is going for $210 right now. Again, they just dropped, so the value on them is not too crazy, but I do expect these to gradually rise simply because it's a retro, and you're gonna see that the quality of this retro is pretty good. So again, just to show you guys the box, make sure you guys are seeing that. Look at that right there. Size 12. And these are called the Air Jordan 1 Retro Lucky Green. That's what they're called. Open these bad boys up. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. But again, we have a tumbled leather, which the quality on a lot of these shoes coming out recently is a lot better than past shoes. Now, what I will say is they're having some trouble with manufacturing because shoes are coming in with like the glue being all uneven, and like sometimes there's like ink from the paint, or there's paint or ink, whatever you want to call it, sometimes gets on the sole. So they're mass producing them to the point where sometimes the manufacturing, they'll get a little messed up. But in terms of like the quality of the leather and just the comfortability, they feel a lot more comfortable than the older models. So I'm gonna show you I'm gonna get you guys a close-up real quick. I'll take this stuffing out. So we got the green laces. Here we go. So we see here this is a real soft leather. All this is soft, it's tumble. So the leather is soft here, so it has some give, so it actually doesn't crease as easily. It will crease over time, but it's not as creased, and it kind of has a soft like look to it. So it's not like such a hard line. It's gonna be more of like I don't know how to explain it, but it's gonna be less noticeable, and it's gonna look more like a touch of character than like it's messed up. So and then on the inside, we just have your standard black interior, green Nike Air, standard black Air Jordan wing stamp. But yeah, pretty color. The color blocking is pretty basic, nothing crazy. It's just, I love this green. These are actually sitting. People aren't picking these up like crazy. So right now they're actually sitting at the store. If you guys want to pick those up at Shoe Palace, go check out shoepalace.com because I'm sure there's plenty in stock if you guys want to still get them retail. As of now, this video is gonna drop Monday, so I don't know when you're watching this, how late it is, but they're sitting for right now. And a lot of feedback is people don't like this green. I think this green's fantastic. Actually, now I think I don't really have this kind of shade of green. The closest I have is gonna be this mid that I have, which is actually tumble leather. But as you can see, it's very similar. But I love the green and black color blocking they have. So a lot of people not liking this green, but I think it looks fantastic. And again, it's a retro, so it's gonna be great. These also come with alternate laces so those of y'all that watch the channel, I got a rule when it comes to alternate laces. The laces they come with is gonna go on the left shoe. So the green staying on the left. And then if it comes with an alternate lace, that alternate color is gonna go on the right shoe. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead, get these laced up for you guys, and I'm gonna show you what they look like on the feet. All right, we got them laced up on the feet. And like usual, I'm digging them. See if I can get a side view like that. Again, not a pretty basic colorway. I'm loving the alternate black and green. I just love alternating my laces. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty much It's simple. Nothing crazy. Let me know what you guys think. If you passed, if you got them, if you're going different laces. I had a friend tell me about putting purple laces on here to get like a Joker type of vibe or something like that. Let me know what you guys think. And like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys next time on Shoe Game.